so cool.
This is so cool.
Coolest place ever.
Look how we landed.
I know, right?
There's no crocodiles here. They'd have to go up several falls, and so we can actually swim here safely. Plus, our pilot, he jumped in first just to test. Oh! So we have a little picnic. We have some cheese and crackers and fruit. And what do you think, Jake? Is it good? Oh, this is beautiful too, huh, buddy? Oh no, Jacob! Oh no!
It's holding on. It's crappy.
Unfortunately, I think it's time for us to leave this beautiful place.